to Volume Langit, a place where the beauty of nature is displayed from a height, from land to sea, from cities to remote areas. We are here to bring a new perspective through an extraordinary aerial view. This is Muara Pandansimo, Bantul, the natural beauty that is currently viral and stealing the attention of many people. From above, we can directly see the meeting of the river and the sea, which creates an extraordinary view. Muara Pandansimo is a natural tourist destination located at the southern tip of Bantul Regency, Yogyakarta. In that place is the meeting point between the Progo River and the Indian Ocean. Around the area, the Pandansimo Bridge is being built, which is designed to connect Bantul Regency and Progo Regency. With a length of 1,900 meters, this bridge will be the longest in the special region of Yogyakarta. Many tourists also come to enjoy the gentle breeze, fishing, or just enjoying the calming beauty of nature. They even enjoy bringing food to eat in this tourist area. Who want to relax, it's no problem, because the atmosphere at this estuary is calming, perfect for healing and relieving fatigue for a moment. No less beautiful, the sunset at this estuary is another moment that is a shame to miss. This is why tourists should come to this destination in the morning or evening, because the air is still fresh and not too hot in the morning, while in the afternoon, tourists can see the enchanting sunset. One of the interesting things in Muara Pandansimo is to see the view from afar, namely the longest bridge in this city, the Pandansimo Bridge, not only as a tourist attraction, but also as a wind power plant that supports renewable energy in Yogyakarta. of Indonesia from the air. See you in the next video.